We're cruising on the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise, and we are in the standard ocean view room, and so we're going to give you a tour. When you first enter on your left-hand side, you will see the restroom. It's small, like a typical cruise restroom, but it has everything you need.
And you know what else you can see if you go in the restroom?
What's that?
Watch this.
John. You can see John.
But you want to give him a tour of the restroom, Amy?
Are you serious? Okay.
Well, yeah, like
Okay.
the north wing, south wing, west wing.
Yeah.
East.
Shower, toilet, sink.
Right.
You have everything you need.
Not bad.
Not bad. And then you've got your wardrobe here. Here you have some cabinetry with your life vest.
Wait, you closed it before anyone could see anything. They all want to see. There we go.
And then you've got a hair dryer and a Bible.
And a Bible. Hey, let's do this. Oh, this is another language.
Oh, you're not gonna be able to read it.
Philippi. That's awesome.
Philippians. So it looks like, is it DOS? I don't know what. If you know what language that is, let us know.
Let us know.
And then, as you can see, we have a ocean view. So we've got our porthole here. We are on deck 5. This is room 5073.
Now wait a minute. You said it's an ocean view?
Well, it will be once we sail away.
It's raining out and it's industrial. There's a little bit of ocean right there.
Once we sail away, it will be. Right now, we are in West Palm Beach.
Yep.
And we're docked, so we haven't sailed away yet, but it will be an ocean view. Now, this is a fold-out bed. So this is a stowaway bed that if we had any of our children with us, which we don't this trip, it would, you can kind of see in there, you would fold that down and so it would take up this space here. But it's kind of nice that we don't have that because then we have a lot of extra room here. We have a little desk, a vanity, whatever, there. And let's see, is there anything I have missed?
You didn't talk about the phone.
I didn't talk about the phone?
I haven't seen one of those in years. It's a landline.
Yeah.
Or it's a sea line.
Yeah, you do.
Not a sea lion.
A sea line.
A sea line.
I see what you did there. So
right?
Anyway, this is a great room. I think it's big enough, and it's definitely bigger than some rooms we have stayed in, some cabins we've stayed in. And I love the portal. It's just so cute when you walk through, when you walk in. That's what you see.
So this is our first time on Margaritaville at sea.
It is.
And quite a different experience. You know, we're in where are we? We're in Florida.
West Palm Beach.
Yes, West Palm Beach. And tell them what we did last night.
So we decided at 4:30 p.m.
yesterday.
last night.
We live in Branson, Missouri.
That we were going to take this cruise. And so we had to try really hard to find a flight that would make it here before this left. And so we actually flew out of Kansas City.
We drove to Kansas City
3.5 hours.
Last night. Didn't sleep at all last night.
To Kansas City. Took a 5 a.m. flight and got into Miami at 9:30, rented a car, drove here, and here we are just in time. So it's been crazy. We didn't sleep at all, or very little on the plane.
Yeah.
And but here we are. So we've never really done anything like that before.
Yeah. So we're gonna check out the ship. We already had a little buffet, and I think we're gonna take a nap.
Yeah. So this is
right
a smaller ship. I think it holds 1,680 passengers. I think is what I read. And on our cruise, there are 947. So it's definitely smaller than what we're used to, but it is great, I think, for like a 3-night cruise, which is what we're doing, you know, to not have too many people. And you don't need a big ship for 3 nights. So.
Yep. So if you have sailed Margaritaville at sea, let us know what you thought about it. What was your experience? Where did you go?
Yeah, we're headed to the Bahamas, by the way, to Nassau.
What are we going to do there?
We are going to swim with the pigs. That is apparently a thing that a lot of people do in Nassau. So that's what we're doing.
You know, pigs. I think I read the other day that they are the 3rd smartest animal. Smarter than
dolphins and elephants.
I didn't see the first 2.
Oh, okay.
But what I did see is that they're ahead of dogs. Smarter than dogs.
I can believe that.
You can?
We have a dog.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, thank you for following along on this tour, and safe travels, everyone.
Safe travels. The mustard drill right here.
Welcome to paradise on Margaritaville at Sea Paradise.
Paradise.